welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how you can join an Instagram broadcast channel, how you can get an Instagram broadcast channel, and the first thing you need to know is you need to go to the option of the official application of Instagram. And here, if you go to this part when you can post it, like a post, reels, these options, you don't have the option of create a broadcast channel, and that's it, because you need first convert your personal account to a professional account, or created a professional account. And after that, you need to get like more than 1,500 followers for Instagram. Send you like the option, give it to you the option of create a broadcast channel. So this is the situation. This is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.